Hello. Welcome. This looks terrible. Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today for Tasty Finds with
Tankmanjoe.
We're here for another German edition Tasty Finds. Okay, so all of you Yanks out there in the good old US of A, I think we could still call it the United States of America. I'm not really sure now. Just things are crazy out there. But anyway, besides that, for those of you with us on this little rock called the United States, we are going to try a lovely, I hope lovely, treat here. I wish I could read German. I'm literate in my own language, but I'm going to give this a try, okay? This is called unsere Kaltschale. Kaltschale. I think I hope I said that right. It's Erdbeere.
Strawberry.
Is that strawberry? Yeah, because there's a little strawberry there. See, for all of us who speak English, there's clues. Okay, these is called context clues. Okay.
Or you could just learn German.
Yeah, we can't learn German. You know, I spent a little time in Germany and picked up some things like Dankeschön, and I know it's called Deutschland, and what else do I know about Germany? The good things. We're going to talk about the good things about Germany.
The big things.
German beers. I enjoy German beer. Okay, anyway, put that aside. Before we get started, give this video a thumbs up if you like what you see. If you didn't like what you saw, still give it a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you a thing.
If you don't like what you see, give it a thumbs up.
Hit that subscribe button down below. That'll keep us going and keep us motivated, and during these dark times and our dark winter and our third,
kind of bright outside.
Our third wave with the coronavirus. I know the rest of the world is like on their first or second wave. Here in the US, we're on our third wave. Yeah, we're here in California, Surf City. I'm sure all this is going to be edited out.
No, it's not.
Anyway, my niece told me this is called fruit soup, and you know, we're going to try it. So in the back here, all the directions are written in German, of course, and good old Tank here, he translated it. Let's give him some props. There we go. We gave him some props, but no, yeah. So he figured out how to make this. So we're going to try it. Okay. So this is DIY/Tasty Find. So first we're going to do this right. So what's the first thing we need to do, Tank?
So the first thing you need to do is put 500 milliliters of water in a bowl.
Okay. So all you Yankee Doodle dandies, 500. You said 500.
500.
500. So 500 milliliters is equal to 2 cups. Okay. So, you know what? I prefer.
Follow the directions, DIY Diva.
Yeah.
Follow the directions.
Okay.
Follow the directions.
Okay. So what?
Put the water in first.
Okay.
Water in
first. Okay. Here's the water. Glug, 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 glug. There we go. All right, now what's the next thing?
Pour the contents in.
So we're pouring in the. Let's see. There you go. Pour it in.
And then you stir it.
Okay, so he went through all the trouble of translation, so at least we know. I don't have COVID. I'm just coughing because
Kinda sus.
You know what? Why don't you stir it?
You're the DIY diva.
Okay.
I do tasty finds. You do the bacon.
Stir it up. So how long are we supposed to stir this up?
Stir it, stir it.
I am stirring.
Alright, yes.
Is it like gelatin? I mean, you know, like Jello. Do I stir this until it gets thick or what? I used cold water, by the way. All joking aside, poured cold water in because if this is going to be a soup.
Oh yeah, it has to be cold water. No other water is good.
Thank you.
Has to be cold.
I guess that's what it means when it says 500 milliliters of Kaltschale.
Yes,
See,
that's what it means.
I do remember something from German.
Huh.
The W has a v sound.
Cool.
Am I right? Hit me up down below. And don't make fun of me because you know what? I do have a handle on 2 other languages other than English.
Alright, tell me.
No. Francais? It is Spaniel.
Alright, that's being cut out.
Oh gosh. Alright. You're not giving me my flowers. Alright.
Alright.
So we mixed it up. I'm going to put this close to the camera so you can get a look. See. I don't know if you can see there. Yeah, there it is. You know, without changing it. There's a lot of little things floating on top, and I believe that those are strawberries. If it's not, then geez. Okay, yeah. So there's those strawberry pieces. Now what do we do?
You put it in the refrigerator for at least 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the refrigerator 10 minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay? So, see you in a minute. Hello, we're back. Things look different because we have a different camera, and if things sound different because we're doing this without a mic. So, you know, here we are.
There goes the stuff. There goes the soup. Video over.
Okay, anyway, so we're back 10 minutes, and we pulled this out of the refrigerator, and there really isn't any change. But it's very cold, so that's what we want. So anyway, as I'm scooping this up, you can see the consistency. It's not like gelatin, it's actually formed just like soup. So Tank, while I'm serving, could you tell us what else we could have made this with?
Alright, so if you didn't have 500 milliliters of water, you could have used 500 milliliters of milk or buttermilk.
Buttermilk?
Yes. Buttermilk.
My grandfather used to drink buttermilk.
Really?
Yeah, and
What's the difference?
regular milk is good. Buttermilk is, to me, buttermilk is something that you want to put in like baking, you know, or making something. But anyway, so here we are. I don't like the taste of buttermilk by itself. It's actually kind of gross. But anyway, no, we're sampling this.
Yes.
Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Bon appetit. That was French. We are approaching Thanksgiving. It's cold outside. Hence the hat.
And this hat.
Oh, you wear that hat all the time. This tastes like something. This tastes like something that you would have during the summer.
Mm-mm.
Oh, what do you think?
So it works perfectly all around. It works perfectly day in, day out, no matter what season, no matter what temperature. And eat a bird.
Okay, get a bird. Oh Lord. Okay, unsere. Oh, I don't know. You know what? I have Latin languages underneath my belt, and so if I'm pronouncing this,
So you said you only knew 3 languages, which was English, French, which you couldn't really speak in, and Spanish.
You could drop me in the middle of Paris, and I can make myself out in and out of that place. I could go into Mexico. I can function.
Mm-hmm.
I have functional use of these languages. I don't understand why he's clowning me. I've actually been in areas where
I'm not doing nothing.
Okay, anyway, here it is. This is called fruit soup. And what's floating inside on top, that is actual strawberry.
No.
Yes, it
No,
is.
it's not.
Don't confuse the public. This is strawberry.
No.
You're gonna trump this out, aren't you?
It's rat milk clipping.
Fake. Oh Lord. Okay, he's telling
It's
jokes.
strawberry.
Okay, I thought for a minute there that, now that we're in this type of political climate that you could just say just about any insane thing and people are supposed to believe you. I'm going to be truthful. So that's strawberries. I can't imagine what this will taste like with milk or buttermilk. I'm sure maybe buttermilk will give it a fuller taste. I would give this a 1 to 4, 1 meaning a hard pass. If I saw this again or someone gifted it to me, I would have been like, thank you, no thank you, you wasted your money. 4,
Isn't that kind of mean?
A 4 means that I would welcome this and I would love to have it again, and I will give this an actual 4. Just like this, like it is right now. I could see this during the summer as a dessert. This is not something that I would have to eat. I would not eat this like, ooh, dinner, lunch. No, this will be something that I would have during the summertime. It's hot. What do you say? I give it a 4.
I'm surprised you gave it a 4.
Oh, okay. Why? Oh, you ate up all of yours.
Because I give it a 4 too! This is great.
Yeah.
I could eat this almost every day. It's really sweet. I like the consistency of it with the water. I'm not sure about the milk or the buttermilk.
Yeah.
But the little strawberry pieces in it just add a whole lot more.
Yeah.
Without the strawberry pieces, it probably would have tasted weird. Probably seemed weird because it would just be the liquid.
Yeah.
But with the strawberry piece, it makes it seem like something more.
I would say, in all honesty, when I first tasted with the first spoonful, it tasted like someone was making Jello, and they put fruit in it. But then, after a few spoonfuls, I'm like, I could get with this. This is fine. I will be honest, I will probably never will try this with buttermilk.
Why do you like buttermilk?
It's gross.
And
Buttermilk is gross.
Why do you not like buttermilk?
It's gross. It's nasty.
Why?
It tastes
Can you
nasty.
give an explanation?
It tastes like what it is, spoiled milk.
Can you give an explanation? Oh my gosh.
What's the explanation you want?
Listen.
It tastes like spoiled milk. Buttermilk is gross. Gross,
No.
gross, gross. Can't stand it. It smells good.
It's like, you see this, right? You're like, oh, it's in German. It's nasty. That's exactly what you're doing.
No, I
Yep.
actually tasted. I tasted buttermilk.
Okay, no, that's like, all right,
Hey,
give me
I
some.
tasted
Listen,
buttermilk.
it's like, I got some fruit soup. Oh, disgusting.
This is from the picky person who will.
And then you would be like,
He
hey,
refuses.
why don't you like it? I'll be like, oh, it's nasty. This stuff is disgusting.
Ooh, okay.
And then you would have kept saying like, oh, do you have any other reasons for that? Why do you not like it specifically? And when you find it weird, someone just kept saying, oh, this tastes disgusting without giving an example or a reason why.
You know what? I'm gonna mask up. I'm gonna get in the car. I'm gonna drive to the market. I'm gonna buy some butter.
I'm not tasting it.
Yeah.
I'm not tasting it. Listen. With butter, it'll be a waste. Listen, with butter, you should drink it because you could put in a whole bunch of stuff and that'll make it. You can make so many things with buttermilk that just drinking it would feel like a waste, right? That's like just eating butter. Just eating butter. You take a stick of butter and like, this is delicious. delicious
He
and
doesn't
start eating it.
He doesn't
That's
know
the whole
what
thing.
He doesn't know what butter is.
I do
And
know. I do
I
know
hope
what
the
butter.
viewing public realizes that this one right here is trying to shame me because
I'm not
I
trying
don't
to shame you.
like.
I'm not trying to
I
shame
don't
you.
like butter
I'm
because
giving you.
I've actually tasted it.
Okay.
And I don't like it.
All right.
You never had butter. You never had.
Do you
butter
like
that-
eating rats?
Okay, on that note. Now he's gonna have me eating vermin. He's gonna ask me, dude. Okay, look. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up.
If you don't like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. And if you have no opinion, give it a thumbs up.
I would be really interested if you have actually tried this fruit soup. I know we have several other flavors, so we are going to take a look at those and we'll try them. But it might be off camera. And actually, I probably, you know what? If I do this, I might actually get the buttermilk. Let's see what this tastes like with buttermilk. There
no,
it is.
That's her. That's
We
her.
made a
Oh,
commitment.
yeah. Let's get that Buster in here.
All right. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Okay. Until next time.